What is it?
Green.
Green. What you got, sis? Easter egg.
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger? You got a train wreck.
Okay. You got train wreck.
A train wreck.
Yeah. Wait. What?
Are you going to show me your Easter bag from school?
Okay.
Okay. No, not the egg. The bag.
Okay.
Huh? It's got a bunny and a bunny. It's got colors. Where's the other bunny? You took one of the bunnies off. What's that?
Egg.
Egg. It's an egg with bugs. Where's the ladybug egg?
Right there.
No, the ladybug egg. Where's the red one?
Right there.
Which one is it?
Right there.
That one?
Yeah.
What's that one?
A ladybug.
A ladybug. Hold it. Don't even. Thank you, son.
Hi.